What's up guys, another simple tutorial on how to Yeat, and this time also free plugins using my man GMS. So first of all we need a bass line. Let's create a bass line. So we add F minor again, and then I just messed around and found this bass line. Really, I like this a lot. So the preset is harsh lead 2. I use lead as a bass. It's alright guys, still the same thing. Alright, let's hear it. This is gas already. I didn't do anything. I didn't even EQ it because I feel like this is... Sorry guys. Because I feel like this is way fuller, like the melody. And then we have this GMS2. This is like a synth. I use the plugin Pure Saw TE. No, this is a preset. Also from Leads. We got reverb. We got phaser. We got EQ to remove the bass. And we got another counter melody. This time, oh, also GMS. What a surprise. Buzzsaw TE. Let's hear it, guys. This is gas. Cut out the lows. This gives like a futuristic vibe. And then we got some plug here. Oh, another GMS. What do you expect, guys? Keys 3. Let's hear it, guys. And I cut out all the lows, singles. This is a melody. It's pretty gas already, guys. You hear. Yo. We don't need no serum. We only need GMS. And then hi-hat. Pretty simple hi-hat. And then we get a snare in. We get a 808. This time not following the bass line. And then we get another bell. This is the full drum. This is like a reverse bell type. Again, highlight it, Alt A, and then appreciate it, and then just use right click to drag like how you want it, like this. There you go, guys. And here's the full beat.